Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. On Saturday, Jamaican director Storm Salter's film Sprinter received numerous awards at the American Black Film Festival ABFF in Miami Beach, Florida. The film won Best Narrative Feature, Best Direction and Audience Award. Sprinter premiered at the festival on Wednesday. The ABFF runs from June 13 to 19. The 90-minute film follows a 17-year-old Rastafarian high school track and field student who has ambitions of qualifying for the national youth track team. He hopes to reunite with his mother, an illegal immigrant in the United States, by competing at the World Youth Championship. Salter is no stranger to the ABFF, as back in 2011 he presented his film Better Must Come. The American Black Film Festival is an annual event showcasing film and television projects by and about people of African descent. ABFF was formed by Jeff Friday back in 1997 and supports emerging artists. It also fosters a wider range of images, stories and storytellers in the entertainment industry. ABFF is 5 days of films, panel discussions, networking events, and screenings held annually in June. Sprinter is set to be officially premiered in Jamaica before the end of this year. Reggae singer Marcia Griffiths has teamed up with Sly and Robbie for her newly released track titled Queen of Paradise. The track was written by reggae artist Chronixx for the former member of Bob Marley's Harmony trio, I-Threes. This marks the second time Griffiths has worked with Sly and Robbie, as they collaborated on her 1996 album Land of Love on the track Stay. Griffiths continues to dominate on the international charts, as her previously released track Too Good at Goodbyes peaked at number 3 and 5 on the South Florida and TFRN charts respectively. She also recently performed at the Love and Harmony Cruise and Kaya Festival. Now, dancehall artist Shenseea and Keeda is featured on Christina Aguilera's new album Liberation. The album was released on Friday and consists of 15 tracks. Shenseea and Keeda are featured on the track titled Right Move. Liberation also features guest appearances from Demi Lovato, 2 Chainz, and Ty Dolla $ign. The album features the tracks Fall in Line, Right Moves, Like I Do, Twice, Unless It's With You, among others. Liberation marks Christina's 8th studio album and her first since her 2012 album Lotus. The album credits production from the likes of Anderson, Pac, Kanye West, Menek, Mike Dean, and Hudson Mohawk. Christina Aguilera is set to embark on her Liberation tour, which kicks off on September 25 and will run through to November 13. This marks her first tour in over a decade. Now, on the international scene over the weekend, rapper Jay-Z and his singer-wife Beyonce released their joint album under the name Carter's Everything Is Love. The album was dropped on Saturday while the announcement was made at the pair's London concert. The album was initially dropped on Tidal but became available on all streaming platforms today. Everything Is Love has the tracks Summer, Boss, Friends, Love Happy, Heard About Us, Black Effect, among others. Along with the album, the Carters unleashed a video for the second track on Everything Is Love. The album credits Ty Dolla $ign for his contribution in writing and vocals on Boss. The album focuses on the Carters' marriage and their overwhelming success. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.